Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the best way to get the most lockpicks possible in this update. First way is of course by the pay to win way, which is the forever pack. As you can see here, you can get the diamond cove lockpick, or even by the ultra holiday pack, where you can get 8 diamond cove lockpick with 100 million gems guaranteed with 3 exclusive eggs, which is really not that bad. It's good. And guys, the second way is of course again by farming in the last area in the event. By the way, guys, you can get the golden cove lockpick and the normal cove lockpick from breakables, but the diamond cove lockpick you need to craft it at Santa Preston. Here you go. Here's it. You need 30 golden cove lockpick, and you need 10 regular cove lockpick to get the golden cove lockpick. Okay, guys. And by the way, guys, let me show you these 3 doors. I already opened the easy door. Let's go to the medium and let's test my luck. Let's see. Please. Oh, bro. Now it's all locked. By the way, guys, if you reach the hard door, which is this one, and you manage to open it, you're gonna get a guaranteed huge Grinch cat, I think. Oh no, I mean the huge angry Yeti. Here it is. The huge angry Yeti behind hard door. And you can even have a chance to get the Titanic angry Yeti. You have a chance, but it's not guaranteed as the huge angry Yeti. Okay, guys, hope the video helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.